Selamat lemai serta merik tabik bahasa ngagi kita semua. Begulai waku Esnanala. Berita dipun kenggau Festival Muzik Hutan Hujan Dunia RWMF nerima timbal kemanah alai 7,000 itik tiket udah mujur dijual nakak ke Dato'. Menteri Dagang Temuai, Industri Kreatif Enggau Seni Pemerintah Sarawak, Datuk Seri Abdul Karim Rahman Hamzah, berawam media di Kuching kena hari 2 Madah, pengeraminya diperambu oleh nyual 12,000 itik tiket.
So for Rainforest World Music Festival, we are only targeting 12,000 for this year, and so far we have managed to sell 7,000 tickets, which is really very good. It's more than what. Tapi kita berharap dapat mencapai 12,000 untuk target of 12,000.
Dulu arinya, Datuk Seri Abdul Karim Kemegak Menteri Raban Nembiak lumba engau pemansang orang dagang Sarawak berjadi kebup RWMF kebegalan The Rainforest World Music Festival, A Journey of 25 Years. Ko ia buapnya ngundan cerita pejalai pengerami engau pemuzik menua tuk kebisik ngambil bagi bab pengeraminya.
Told in glorious technicolor, this new book takes us from the very beginning of the rainforest when I was informed there were just 300 people at that time. I was not there. I was still a young student at the time. Can't afford to go to the rainforest probably at that time. There were just 300 people turning up at Sarawak Cultural Village for a small gathering of the world music fan. It brings us through the years of its growth into one of the best loved and most celebrated festival in the world. It is one of the best loved and most celebrated festival in the world. And then into its transformation, first into Malaysia's pioneering fully visual experience, and finally into its transition into the incredible hybrid experience about to be launched this year, another Malaysian first.
Bak program bukai di Miri, Datuk Seri Abdul Karim madah ke Gerempuang Raban Nembiak, menua berserakup Sarawak seberkas, Siti Gerempuang tik cakah ngemansang ke Raban Sidak di Sarawak. Ia bercakap umumnya maya pengerami Haiti Gawai Raya Presiden Seberkas, begulai engkau Seberkas Pampang Zon Utara.
Tapi menjadi ahli seberkas kita ada tanggungjawab juga. Selain daripada kita menjawab jawatan which is a voluntary organisation, hopefully harapan kita adalah kita dapat membimbing belia-belia dalam kawasan kita, belia-belia dalam our region untuk menjadi belia-belia yang bertanggungjawab, belia-belia yang mempunyai visi, mempunyai pandangan yang boleh mengangkatkan belia-belia negeri kita ke peringkat yang lebih tinggi lagi. That is our responsibility, that is also our goal.
Pengerami ke diguluk 17 itik Pampang Seberkas Zon Utaranya, Gembuan 7 meri awak ngage bala Raban Seberkas, negot kagik kawul engau pengandiri, seraya ngintu hari raya Aidilfitri engau gawai daya. Agi nampuang isi berita. Pengawak numbuh keriwal ding berguna benar kena nyaga serta ngintu rampak menua. Sapit Menteri Pengatur Menggeri Tanah Engau Rampak Menua Sarawak, Datuk Len Talif Saleh madah, ari pengawak nanam baru pun kayu asal bermenua ke dijaga penuah TPA, tahu benar nentu ke pengelikun rampak menua engau kampung.
The dispersion of seeds through wildlife movement have dispersed seed which in turn allowed for native forest regeneration even in degraded area outside TPA.
Ia bercakap munyinya maya program Sarawak Energy 10-Year Integrated Tree Planting, Protection and Habitat Restoration ke diatur berizab alam semula jadi Samajaya di Kuching kena hari 1 tuk tadi. Berkawal ngau pengawak nyayin sempakat pemerti ati MOU, SFC ngau Sarawak Energy Berhad SEB, ia madah, nangkan kenyak belanja 10 juta ringgit dekat diungkup dikena ngemujur ke pengawak nanam urung 100,000 puan kayu berendur TPA di Sarawak.
Apart from tree planting, central to this partnership between SFC and SEB are, first, research and conservation activities by means of exchange technical information. 2. Conducting other research work involving rapid assessment of biodiversity. 3. Social survey. And 4. Forest carbon studying biomass as below ground carbon stock, soil carbon in rewilding area.
Berita di Limbang. Raban Bangsa Islam berpelilih Limbang ditangkan belak ngambil bagi pengawak dagang. Sapit Menteri Bertanam Bertopik Moden engkau pemansang kandang benua Sarawak, Datuk Dr. Abdul Rahman Ismail Madah, diatuk pengawak dagang muntang diperjalai ke Tegal Uliah dikerja nengah online.
Jadi ini kita galakkan wanita, tak kira sekarang wanita lelaki kita boleh perniagaan di mana-mana. Sekarang ni simple, mudah, online marketing. Online saja kita boleh mencapai seluruh dunia. Kita boleh pakai Shopee, boleh pakai Lazada.
Ia madah mengingat maya berjadi ke pengawak nutup program seminar Raban Induk, engkau ruang biliak ke diatur Komiti Mendam Pengerami Bagi Islam Pelilih Limbang, JTPIL, engkau gerempung pengintu pengelantang Raban Islam Malaysia, Perkim, kena hari 6 Tok tadi. Berita dah tu. Workshop Inisiatif Kepimpinan Young Southeast Asian Leaders Initiative YSEALI Siti Pelasar Nempak Penau Rebak Dudi nyadi pemesai bermacam bengkah pengawak di serata menua ASEAN. Sapit Menteri Kuasa ngau Pengelikun Rampak Menua Sarawak, Dr. Hazlan Abang Hibni Madah, workshopnya oleh dikena nyungka ke penemu digital berbala nembiak lebih hagik di Sarawak nyerumbak julu ati ke di tempat Premier Sarawak, Datuk Patinggi Tan Sri Dr. Abang Abdul Rahman Zohari, Tun Datuk Abang Openg.
A key factor to achieving prosperity and elevating the well-being of our people is to give all Sarawakians access to knowledge, access to information, and access to economic opportunities. And in this age, that translates to digital connectivity. From online learning to having access to vast academic resources across the globe, to being able to sell your products throughout the globe, having an internet connection is now a necessity. Back then, when we talked about the rural and urban divide, what it meant was roads and hospitals. Now it is the access to high-speed broadband.
Berjakuk maya pengerami berjadi ke YSEALI Digital Community Workshop di Muzium Budaya Borneo, Kuching, kena hari 2. Ia andal Sarawak udah nyadi palan ke mata kuyang semua ukai seminat Borneo ajak tang serata dunia. Berpengerami nyak megak Charge the Affairs Embassy United States of America di Malaysia, Michael Newbill berjakuk ia madah menggeri Kuching dipilih halai ngatur programnya ketika Sarawak ngembuan mayuh pengelebiah.
Was for several reasons. One, a very friendly and welcoming people, as the minister said. Number two, Sarawak has a very determined project to bring digital connectivity to the state under SDEC and many of the other initiatives sponsored by the Premier. And so because Sarawak is very focused on digital connectivity for its people and is taking a unique path, we thought this would be the right place to host this conference, so that individuals from around Southeast Asia can see what's happening here and learn from each other in this environment.
Berita bukai. Palan penyulut tikas pengawak Sarawak, SCOPE, bersawap engkau Asia School of Business ASB serta Palan Biodiversity Sarawak ngatur workshop penemu rampak benua, Rama engkau ngatur pengawak ESG kena ramai jakuk Driving the Green Agenda, kena hari 2. Workshopnya diatur berserimai dengan Gempuru Ekonomi Digital Antarabangsa Sarawak IDEX 2022 ke nyadi sebagai hari program satelit digital IDEX. Dr. Hazlan berjakuk ia madah, ESG-nya berpelasar ketiga batang perkara dikena nentu ke pengelikun engkau nama kenyadi hari ulah pemeranak pukuk berdagang tak ke company ianya rampak menua, Rama engkau pengawak ngatur.
Even now, whereby certain financial institutions will use ESG to evaluate a company. Some big companies, example the oil and gas companies, are not able to get financing because they do not comply to the ESG standard. So we want Sarawak industry players, especially the hydrocarbon players and the big industries to be aware of this. Yeah.
Ia bercakap bunyinya maya workshop penemu ESG di Auditorium Skop, Kuching. Dr. Hazlan megamadah workshopnya nyari cara dikena nerena ulah manah industri besar di Sarawak, bak tuju ngemansang kerundiang nyaga ekologi engau rampak menua. Berita kepenudi di Serian. Raban nembiak ditangkan ngambil kuliah ngembuan pengelandik digital dikena nyikap diri napik penguji ngau ubah dudiari. Sapit Menteri Pengangkut Sarawak, Datuk Dr. Jerip Susil Madah, pengelandiannya dekat nampak sidang ngembuan ulah bersemakiah kelebih agi lalu nak nangi keubah teknologi kenyari bakal penumbuh Artificial Intelligence AI. Tuk ko ia senutuk ngau pengawak ke dikerja organisasi bakal turu ekonomi gagasan anak Sarawak, tegas, terbising atur program Mai Raban Nembiak ngembuan pengelandian digital. Ia madah, sebagai dari program tu, ianya tegas Think and Thinker Mini Lab alai SMK Siburan udah disikap ngau macam bengkah perengkau guna, belajar bakal kit robotik, microcontrollers, 3D printer, ngau mini STEM library. Ia mantai kejakut tangkannya maya pengerami berjadi ketegas 10-year anniversary roadshow 2022 kena hari Sabtu tuk tadi. Kelimpah harinya Datuk Dr. Jerip Tumekat Sapit Chairman Tegas Madah, program Training of Trainers bisik diatur dikena matiah bala pengajar sentang penemu digital. Program seharinya diatur dikena ngerami penubuh tegas begulai ngomen sia mayuh bak 11 bengkahan luar ke udah dipilih. Tuk dipun kebasrian lalu ditangkan di Debak, Sri Aman, Serikai, Bintango, Kapit, Balingian, Marudi, Limbang, Betung, seberau tembuk di Kuching kena 16 Julai ke dekat datai. Nakak tu dulu edisi malam begulai ngaku Esnanala. Berita kesili agi tahu dipedak nengah semua laman media UKAS yang kau buat portal ukas.sarawak.gov.my enggak UKAS channel di YouTube.